morning students. Today now we see about the Dr. Faustus MCQs.
ஸோ இதனுடைய சம்மரி உங்களுக்கு வேணும் அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், நாங்கள் சம்மரியும் போடுறோம். ஆனால் மேக்ஸிமம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த டைமில் எல்லாருமே எம்சிக்யூஸ் தான் வேணும் அப்படின்னு ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதனாலேயே நாங்கள் எம்சிக்யூவை வந்து ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கோம். ஸோ நீங்கள் உங்களுக்கு இதனுடைய சம்மரி வேணும் அப்படின்னாலுமே நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக நாங்கள் சம்மரி வீடியோவும் கூடிய சீக்கிரத்தில் போடுறோம். ஓகே, இப்போ வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போயிடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் என்ன அப்படின்னா, இந்த ப்ரொலாக் ஹூ இன்ட்ரடியூசஸ் த ஸ்டோரி ஆஃப் டாக்டர் ஃபாஸ்டஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. ஆன்சர் த கோரஸ். Next, to which Greek mythological character is Faustus compared in the prologue? Answer, Icarus. Next, what fields of learning does Faustus consider before he turns to magic? And the answer is logic, medicine, law and theology. Next question, which characters instruct Faustus in the dark arts? Answer, Cornelius and Valdes. Next, when he first summons Mephistopheles, how does Faustus ask him to appear? In the shape of a Franciscan friar. And the next question, what is the name of the ruler of hell in Dr. Faustus? Answer, Lucifer. Next question, how long does Faustus demand that Mephistopheles serve him? Answer, 24 years. And next, what does Faustus offer in return for this service? Answer, his soul. Next, how does Faustus sign his compact with Lucifer? An answer, in his own blood. Next, what is the meaning of the words that appear on Faustus' arm in Latin? And the answer, fly man. Next question, who agrees under duress to become Wagner's servant? Answer is the clown. Next, what does Mephistopheles refuse to tell Faustus? Answer, who made the world? Next, why does Mephistopheles refuse to answer this question? He says that the answer is against our kingdom. Next, which city does Faustus visit extensively in scene 7? Rome. Next, what trick does Faustus, while invisible, play on the Pope? Next, he steals dishes of food and disrupts the Pope's banquet. Next question, which historical figure does Faustus conjure up for the emperor to see? Alexander the Great. Which character is publicly skeptical of Faustus' powers? The knight, also known as Benvolio. Next, how does Faustus humiliate this skeptic? He makes antlers sprout from the skeptic's head. Next, who tries to persuade Faustus to repent just before he reveals his pact with Lucifer? An answer, an old man. What happens to the horse that Faustus sells to the horse courser? It turns into a heap of straw when it goes in the water. Next, what does the horse courser think he is removing from Faustus' body after Faustus wakes? And the answer, his leg. Next, what does Faustus fetch for the Duchess of Venhold? Answer, a dish of grapes. Next, where according to Mephistopheles is hell? Everywhere that heaven is not. Next question, what famous beauty does Mephistopheles present to Faustus in scene 12? And the answer is Helen of Troy. Next, what happens to Faustus at the end of the play? Answer, he is carried off to hell. Next, Christopher Marlowe was an actor, poet, and playwright during the reign of which monarch? And answer is Elizabeth I. Next, what religion was Marlowe suspected of having converted to, leading Cambridge to try to withhold his degree? And the answer, Catholicism. Next, the immediate source of Marlowe's Dr. Faustus is most likely an anonymous German book dating from 1587. Next, how many plays did Marlowe produce before being killed in a tavern brawl in 1593? And the answer, 7 plays. Next, Johannes Faustus, the real-life figure to whom the tale about selling once because attached was dash, an astrologer. Then Faustus grows dissatisfied with the limits of traditional forms of knowledge. Next, how does Faustus begin his new career as a magician? By summoning a devil. Next, what does Faustus do first with his new powers? And the answer is travel. Next question, who does Faustus summon towards the end of his 24 years deal? Answer, Helena of Troy. Next question, which characteristic does Faustus lack? And the answer is inner strength. Next, what word describes Mephistopheles' motivations? Answer, ambiguous. And then, which two characters represent Faustus' conscience? Answer, good angel, evil angel. Next question, what is Robin's profession? Answer, ostler or innkeeper. Next one, who hears Faustus' confession of his pact with Lucifer? Answer, the scholars. That's all about this video. And இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு வேணும், நிறைய இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஒர்க்ஸோட